Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to download a video from Strava. Before we begin, it is important to know that Strava does not provide a built-in download button for videos. Inside the Android app, however, if the video belongs to you, there are still a few ways you can access or save it. First, just go ahead and open the Strava app, and here, go to the activity that contains the video that you want to save. And let's say this is the particular video that I want to save. I will just go ahead and click on the activity, and here you will see the video. Now scroll down and you will see the share option. Just go ahead and click on share option on the activity. And depending on your device and app version, you can just go ahead and choose the option for copy link or more and choose your sharing option. And now your activity will be shared successfully. And if you originally recorded the video on your phone, before uploading it to Strava, the easiest option is to open your gallery or photo app and use the original copy stored there. And you can just go ahead and play your video just like so, and start recording your screen. If none of the mentioned options are available, so the simple rule is Strava does not offer direct video downloads, so the original video stored on your device is usually the easiest version to access and reuse. And that's it. We just learned how to access and save videos associated with Strava activity by using the share option or by locating the original video stored on the device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.